Welcome to Property 39950. Located in North Chatham, nestled on a private lot in a tranquil neighborhood, this 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home is walking distance to 2 beaches. There is an open floor plan upstairs with a large kitchen, dining room, and living room that open onto a screened-in porch. Also upstairs is a bright master bedroom and small outdoor deck, all offering ocean views. On the first floor, you'll find a cozy den and 2 additional bedrooms. One that features 2 built-in bunk beds. Relax in the swing or a rocking chair on the charming farmer's porch, or roast some marshmallows on the fire pit in the side yard. And after a day spent on the beach, you can rinse the salt and sand off in the outdoor shower. Property 39950 is the perfect home to host your next Cape Cod vacation.